it is exciting to see it come together. Look at how good it looks. It's really working out. So I decided I was going to run a board all the way down here, but then I thought, gosh, it's just so nice walking around here. It kind of opens it up. Why don't I put a board there and then screw up in with some good long screws, so some 3 inchers, three 3-inchers. And then the cutoff so happened from this was perfect. The one end was square, had the correct angle, and I decided to put it in. So I like how that looks. This yellow pine looks sharp. I was going to use rough cut hemlock, but this is cool, and it's salvaged. I think I'm going to cut this off right here, this little point here. Maybe go like that with a handsaw, but I can decide that later. Let's see, other than that, I did remove the temporary post here, so it really opens it up. We still have the temporary post over here. Need to do the same thing with this side. And now that we have the outside, we can take off this, because this was put in because they had used 2 boards here. Now that we have all the boards on the outside, you know, good yellow pine, and I knew where that joint was. It was like right in here. So I made sure that everything ran over that joint. So I feel comfortable that we can take this off now, and then both sides will look the same. So really coming together. Done quite a bit of cleaning and picking up. Oh, and we even hung up our air chair banner for our photos tomorrow. Okay. Floor looks awesome. Just such amazing stones. And the foosball table looks really cool also. I did end up coating it, the whole thing, so it's good protected. And this coming summer, we plan on having a dehumidifier working down here. Still thinking of designs for these tables. I don't know, maybe I will not do it, but gosh, it's tempting. Probably not that one, but maybe something on the leg, I don't know. Great tables to play on though, excellent. Okay, so there's the stairs. Very comfortable going up them. Kind of gives it a different look here with the sides now. I like it. Okay, let's call it a day.